guys, I want you to have a close look on this king of spades right there. And if I just take this king of spades and put this right inside the deck right now and just snap my fingers, it just wham, it just vanishes. Alright, have a look. The king of spades is gone from the deck, which I had just put a seconds ago. Want to have a look again? Let's have a look. One by one, we are going to check out each and every card. There is no king of spades here. Now where the hell is king of spades? It has just transferred inside my pocket. Hit. Ow! 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 Hey daddy, wanna know the secret? Yo, make it quick! This ain't happening. Idiot. How dare you not tell me a secret? Now you see. Guys, he has beaten me a lot, so. But still, I'm not going to reveal the secret in this video, but surely I will reveal if I get some comments down, and I want at least 10 likes to reveal this video. Please, just one like you can leave, and if you want the secret, then definitely you will have to subscribe to my channel so that you stay tuned for the next video. And thanks a lot for watching. Hit the subscribe button, comment down below what you think, and make sure you like the video. Please.